Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you I have this problem. All the lights coming on, check engine, TPMS, ESC, and when we saw all those lights coming on, the problem with the air position sensor. It is here, behind this. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna open it or replace it. The first thing, take the cover off. After done, we're gonna open this. That one and this one. Take this off. We're gonna pull it, and if you take a look here, give me all these codes. All these codes because this. And now when I take it off, it is this one here. It was just lose those. Pull this side, take it off. So easy. Now what we're gonna do, open this screw and one here in the bottom. This one. Now we're gonna unplug this one. Take it off this. Because the sensor this here. That one. After you open it, it has here two hoses in the back. You can unplug it because it's hard to reach from the front. To reach them. When you take it off, both of them is gonna. This part is gonna come off. Okay, after I lose them, those here too, I'm gonna open the unplugged the sensor. It came off. How you take the clips out? It was here. Just push this one from here. Push it and pull it. After done, push this in the top. Yeah, just this one here in the top. Push it down and unplug it. This came out. This is the sensor here. This one. If you see the part number. I'm gonna clean it and put the part number, okay? The part number for it, this one. This coming whole thing because I tried to find this just the sensor. I couldn't. I bought used one for $50 from eBay. The new one is around 120. I'm gonna put it now. Okay, now I'm gonna just put those two hoses here, those here. Return it back. After done, I'm gonna put it like this. Put this. I'm gonna put the screws. After I put it back, both of them, I'm gonna just put it back. Like this, I'm gonna put the screws. Oh, I'm gonna plug this first. The wire. Gonna turn the clips. The other side. Just I put it back. Yeah, I'm gonna return the screws. I return the bullet, this 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one. Oh. Okay, now I'm just returning this. Don't forget the hose. That's it. I'm gonna return the battery. We're gonna try it. Okay, now I try, it's working okay. The check engine going off by itself. The ESC, I don't know what the name is, turn off. The secretor is working, because before when I push gas, the run is gonna stay same. That has cost me $50. If you go to the dealer, gonna cost you 700. I hope this video helpful. Thank you for watching.